The hype is real. iPhone 16 Pro on the horizon. Apple fans, get ready. The iPhone 16 Pro is on the horizon, and the rumor mill is already buzzing. Every year we eagerly anticipate Apple's latest innovations. The iPhone 16 Pro promises to be no different. It's shaping up to be a game changer. From what we've heard, it's going to be their most impressive phone yet. We're expecting a suite of new features. There could be camera upgrades, a faster processor, and maybe even a fresh design. This is going to be exciting. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the iPhone 16 Pro. Get ready to be amazed. Predicting the launch. When can we expect it? Apple is a creature of habit. They tend to release new iPhones around the same time each year. Looking back at previous launches, we can make an educated guess about the iPhone 16 Pro's arrival. Historically, September has been the iPhone launch month. More specifically, Apple prefers announcing new iPhones during the first or second week of September. If they stick to their usual schedule, we can expect the iPhone 16 Pro to debut in early to mid-September 2024. Of course, this is just an educated guess. Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. However, based on their history, a September 2024 launch seems very likely. Sleeker and more immersive, design and display expectations. Design is a key element of any iPhone, and the 16 Pro is rumored to feature some exciting changes. One of the biggest rumors is the move towards even thinner bezels. Imagine a screen that practically stretches from edge to edge. This would make for a truly immersive viewing experience. Another possibility is a flat-edge frame similar to the design language of recent iPad models. This could give the iPhone 16 Pro a more modern and angular aesthetic. And what about the display itself? We're expecting Apple to continue pushing the boundaries of OLED technology. A larger display could be in the works, offering even more screen real estate for enjoying content and multitasking. Imagine watching movies and playing games on a screen that's even more expansive and vibrant. These design and display upgrades are sure to turn heads. Section 4. Powerhouse performance, A18 Bionic chip and more. Apple's A-series chips are legendary for their performance, and the A18 Bionic chip in the iPhone 16 Pro is expected to be a true powerhouse. This new chip will likely be built on a more advanced manufacturing process, resulting in significant gains in speed and efficiency. This means apps will launch faster, games will run smoother, and the entire phone will feel more responsive. But it's not just about raw power. Apple also focuses on optimizing battery life, and the A18 Bionic is rumored to bring improvements in this area as well. We could see longer battery life on a single charge, thanks to the chip's improved efficiency. Additionally, rumors suggest advancements in connectivity, with support for faster Wi-Fi and 5G speeds. The iPhone 16 Pro is shaping up to be a true performance beast. Section 5. Photography redefined, camera upgrades and innovations. The iPhone camera is consistently ranked among the best in the smartphone world, and Apple is always looking for ways to innovate. For the iPhone 16 Pro, we're expecting some major camera upgrades. One area of focus is likely to be low-light performance. Apple could introduce a larger sensor or a wider aperture to allow more light into the lens. This would result in brighter and clearer photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is also expected to play a bigger role in the camera experience. We might see enhanced AI-powered features for scene recognition, object tracking, and image processing. These advancements would make the camera even smarter and more capable. And then there's the rumor of a periscope lens. Section 6. Price and availability. What will it cost? While Apple hasn't officially announced pricing for the iPhone 16 Pro, we can make some educated guesses based on previous releases and industry trends. It's safe to assume that the iPhone 16 Pro will be a premium device with a price tag to match. We can expect it to be in line with the pricing of previous Pro models, if not slightly higher. Storage options will also play a role in pricing, with higher storage capacities commanding a premium. It's likely that Apple will offer the iPhone 16 Pro in a range of storage options, starting from 128 gigabytes and potentially going up to 1 terabyte or even more. As for availability, we can anticipate a global rollout following the initial launch event. Section 7. Final verdict. Is the iPhone 16 Pro worth the wait? The iPhone 16 Pro is shaping up to be another incredible release from Apple. With its rumored design upgrades, powerful A18 Bionic chip, advanced camera system, and other enhancements, it has the potential to be one of the best smartphones on the market. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official announcement and reviews to know for sure, but based on the rumors and Apple's track record, the iPhone 16 Pro is definitely worth getting excited about. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or simply looking for the best of the best in smartphone technology, the iPhone 16 Pro should be on your radar.